Hello everyone, welcome to Chirag certification tutorial. In this video we are going to learn how to get free Google Swags and certificate from Google Gen AI Academy. So your certificate will be looks like this and exclusive swag Gen AI certificate, exciting prices and open to all and provided the Google Cloud Google Gen AI Academy. We'll go through the step-by-step process on that. Google Cloud Gen AI Academy APAC Cohort 3 is here. Want to explore a free generative AI opportunity from Google Cloud and Hack2Skill? The Gen AI Academy APAC 2026 is a challenge-based program designed for developers, technical professionals, innovators, startup, and AI across the APAC region. Cohort 3 Accelerate AI with the Cloud Run is part of the 2026 APAC Gen AI Academy journey, which follows a structured learn, challenge, build approach. So this program focuses on the building practical production ready AI solution using the Google Cloud technologies. So key highlights are there. So this is the 100% free participation open to eligible participants across the APAC, 18 plus eligibility, Google Cloud plus Hack to Skill initiative, challenge based generative AI program, hands on code labs and Google Skill Lab access, live and on demand expert workshop, MCQ assessment and project based challenges, cohort level hackathon, ideathon opportunities, Gen AI master certificate for the eligible completers, opportunity to receive exclusive goodies, case price up to $10,000 per cohort, graduation ceremony and project recognition, opportunity to join the Gen AI Elite Club for qualifying top performers, regional eligibility and opportunities to showcase AI projects, Grand APAC Hackathon planned for the later in 2026. So the Gen AI Academy APAC 2026 consists of multiple cohort followed by a grand hackathon, bringing together high-performing builders from across the APAC ecosystem. Official registration and program details is this. So we'll go through this URL. And term conditions are there, availability, timelines, eligibility, rewards, and program requirement can be changed. Please verify the latest information of the official Hack to Skill page before registering. So let me open this page. So when will you open this page? This is the page. So cohort 3 on August 2026 to September 2026. Accelerate your AI with the cloud run. And there is a register now button is there. Total developers is 334K, developers 121K, organization institute 6.7K plus daily sign-ups 12 plus K countries across the APAC. So cohort 1 and 2 is already completed. Now why should we join or and who should will join? So working professional, startup, developers and builders. And cohort structure is this. Cohort is divided into two parts. First is the academy, second is the ideathon. So the academy includes the workshop, labs and assessment. The ideathon is the capstone completion. What you will the journey looks like. So there is a live on demand workshop, interactive Google expert lead session, hands-on code lab, guided hands-on lab and practical experience, MCQs, assessment, quiz and test your knowledge. So how do you graduate? So attend workshop. So attend live on the on-demand workshop for the better understanding. Finish hands-on code lab. So complete all the requirement code lab. So gain hands-on experience. Pass the MCQ assessment. So step 3 is this: clear the mandatory quiz as well as the track assessment based on the workshop and code lab. Earn your certificate. Complete all the requirements and receive your GenAI master certificate. participate on the ideathon. So apply your learning from the workshop and code labs for the conceptuous listening in the real world solution. So why join Gen AI Academy APAC? So practical skill, career edge, community and membership, mentorship. So reward and recognition. Go beyond the learning and get reward for the performance. So cash prize for the top performing participant for the ideathon. Exclusive goodies and swag for the standout contributor. Opportunity to join AI Gen AI Elite Club top performance only. So there is a track one, build and deploy the customer facing AI agent, turn business data into the strategy decision, automate daily operations with a productivity agent. So more details are there. So workshop is there. So track one, track two, track three, and all the workshop are there. How to become a elite club member. So attend all three interactive workshop, complete the code labs across all three tracks as the MCQs, sign as the top participant in the ideathon. Then only you will get a elite club. So the perk of the being elite. So reaching the elite club status will help you to win exclusive swag and secure your spot on the elite club alumni network. So ready to start, there is a register page and do you have any question then FAQs are there. So is it free? So there is a yes, this is free. How I learned the Gen AI Master certificate. So this is the process already we have discussed. So attend the workshop, complete all the mandatory code labs and pass the MCQ assessment. And what is the ideathon? So this is the ideathon, the final stage of cohort 3 where all the you will apply everything you will learn by the capitalizing and the AI powered solution using the Google Cloud technologies. So this is the step by step process you can go and there is a register now button is there. You can go through the any register now button. So log into your account and you can log in with the Google and this is the GitHub or you can sign up with the your email address and name and email address and click on the register. So all the steps we have completed. So disclaimer is that this video is created for the educational and informational purpose only under the Fair Use Section 107 Copyright Act 1976. All trademarks and logos belongs to their respective owners. No copyright violation intended. For any copyright concern, you can send me mail on the chiragmahto@gmail.com. Follow me on YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, WhatsApp channel and Telegram channel is there. Follow the process exactly shown in the video. Do you have any questions? Then drop them into the comment box. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to Chirag Mahto Official. So hope this will help. Thank you for watching.